Turkey's drone technology just took a giant leap forward. Meet the Kalkan Spy drone, a groundbreaking UAV with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, unveiled by Baykar, Turkey's leading defense tech company. This high-tech marvel is set to redefine surveillance and reconnaissance missions in ways never seen before. Unlike traditional drones that need a runway or catapult system to launch, the Kalkan drone can perform vertical takeoffs and landings thanks to its 5 advanced propulsion systems. 4 electric motors give it the thrust needed to ascend and descend vertically, while a fuel-efficient gasoline engine takes over for cruising, enhancing both versatility and endurance. This drone operates at an impressive altitude of 14,500 meters, with an estimated airtime of 7 hours. Kalkan isn't just another drone, it's a high-performance machine that has successfully completed rigorous testing, including 70 hours of dedicated flight time and the recent system identification test in Turkey's Kazan district. Equipped with the domestically developed BG-60 camera, Kalkan can capture ultra-high-resolution images and thermal scans, making it equally effective in low-light and nighttime conditions. This means round-the-clock reconnaissance and precision target identification, even in challenging environments. Advanced autonomous features make this drone a true powerhouse. With route tracking, target following, and an automatic return-to-home function, Kalkan can perform complex missions with high precision and minimal human intervention. These features ensure operational adaptability, allowing the drone to adjust to mission demands in real time. With the Kalkan Spy drone, Turkey has solidified its position in the global aerospace industry as an innovator in UAV technology. Baykar's latest creation not only showcases the country's advancements but also underscores its commitment to bolstering national security through cutting-edge technology. From surveillance to reconnaissance, the Kalkan drone is poised to make a significant impact on future missions worldwide. Turkey's Kalkan Spy drone stands as a testament to the nation's rising technological prowess. With its unmatched capabilities, this drone could soon be an invaluable asset in global defense. What other breakthroughs can we expect from Turkey's drone industry? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world's latest tech innovations.